In this video, we will expand our understanding of the basic if statement and learn about the if-else statements in Java. We use an if conditional statement to test for a condition that evaluates to true or false. If it evaluates to true, we can execute Java statements that we refer to as the conditionally executed statements. However, we didn't discuss what if it evaluates to false. In a simple if statement like the one we see here, nothing special happens. You continue the code after joining the path from the two branches. Then how can we add another conditional statement that executes when the condition evaluates to false? Let's build on our example of classifying an aircraft's speed based on its Mach number. This time, we want to check what if Mach is not greater than 1. In this case, it could be either a transonic or subsonic aircraft. In the false branch, we can add an output that says just that. So how do we implement this in Java? Let's think of it in a high-level language that we use every day. We say that if Mach is greater than 1, it's supersonic. Else, it's transonic or subsonic. Notice that else captures the two other possibilities. Java has an if-else conditional statement that can help us implement this in Java. The if-else statement will execute code conditionally if the if statement evaluates to true, and another code if it evaluates to false. In this particular example, this can be written as if the Mach is greater than 1, print supersonic, else print transonic or subsonic. Remember, if you want to execute multiple lines of codes conditionally, you will need to enclose them in curly braces.